Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about demo exam for Get 2022 for Humanities and Social Science candidate. Okay, so in this video mainly I will talk about Get psychology paper, mock test for Get psychology. Okay, so guys, I think all of you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. Okay, so please watch this video till the end, because in this video you will know many things, how you can move from one question to another question, how you can switch, how you can use calculator, everything I will show you in this video. Okay, so please stay connected with my YouTube channel and please watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is the home domain of Get 2022 exam. Okay, so I think you can see this Get 2022 online application, and this is click here to take a mock test of for any Gate paper of last year. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. So get paper and code, and look this humanities and social science. So there are six papers: economics, English, linguistics, psychology, philosophy, and sociology. So already I have mentioned that. So I will discuss about the mock test for psychology student. Okay, so this. So you have to click on this and you will get this type of interface. But listen guys, so during your real exam, okay, so you will get same this type of interface in your computer. Okay, so for that now you have to just you have to log in with your registration number and your password. And what will be your password? Date of birth will be your password. But now you have to just click on this sign in option. You have to click on this, just you have to click on this sign in option. So you will get this type of interface. Okay, so look, and same interface you will get during your real exam. So you have to know this very well, these five options. This means you have not visited the question yet. It is the meaning in mode white color mode. Okay, so this mode, it means that you have not answered the question. Okay, you have visited but you have not answered the question. And it means you have not answered the question, but have marked the question for review. You have not answered but you have marked the question for review. And look this means the question answered and marked for review. It means that it will be considered for the evaluation. You have answered, you have marked the question, and it means that this. So all these options are very and crucial for you. Okay, so when you will answer, and suppose you have doubt that whether this option is correct or not, so you can mark for review. But suppose your time is very less for the review, so it will be considered for evaluation. So these are the some points just I want to mention. And look, just for your information, you have to click on this and look. So you will get this same interface you will get during your real exam. Just you have to click on this checkbox and I'm ready to begin. Okay, just you have to click on this. Look, and look, this is the main interface. And look, general aptitude part, reasoning and comprehension part, and psychology part. Suppose you are from arts background. Okay, so suppose you are not well familiar with this. Okay, so what what you should do first, just you have to click on this and you will get your psychology paper first. So these are some question, total question. You can see the right side. You can, I think you are able to see my cursor. Okay, so question one, question, suppose you want to go for question number 10, just you have to click on this and your question number 10 will come to you, near to you. Okay, so thus, and suppose most people tend not to consider stimulated factors while judging others behaviors, because suppose this is the answer, this is the answer. So you can, suppose you have clicked, suppose you have clicked and you have clicked these options also, marked for review and next. It means that it means that you have answered the question, but you have marked for evaluation also. Okay, evaluation also. And you can see this negative marking. So marks for correct answer, 1 marks you will get. Look, this see the cursor. Okay, see the my cursor. Marks for correct answer, 1 marks you will get. If you answer this question, 1 marks you will get. And negative marks, 1 upon 3, 1/3. And this is the timer, this is the timer, and this is the calculator option. You have to click on this, you have to click on this, and your calculator will come. Look this, suppose you want to multiply, you want to calculate some things. So suppose this 25, and you want to multiply. So these are the options for you. Okay, plus, equalize. Okay, so these are the some basic options that you can use during your you have to multiply. Okay, look this. So you can multiply. This is the multiply symbol, this is the division symbol. Suppose you want to divide this, so divide this 25, what will be your answer? 2. So thus you can use this scientific calculator. Okay, so these are the these are the basic function, just I want to mention for your help to calculate this general aptitude sections problem. Okay, and suppose you want to skip, look, this is the question from general aptitude sections. So you will get 10 questions, 10 question for this part. Okay, for this part. So this question, I think it is, oh, it is not too hard, it was easy question. Okay, and you will get 2 marks for this question. So practice very well. Okay, I think you will. And reasoning section, reasoning and comprehension section. So these are the reasoning and comprehension section. Suppose you have to read this passage, you have to read this passage, and then you have to answer. Suppose this is the answer, so you have to do this, you have to do this. You should not go to the other section first. After clicking your answer, and you have to save and next. If you are confident that this is the final answer, so you have to, this is just demo, this is this is just demo. Okay, you have to click on this save and next option. So it means that this green color, it means that you have answered this question. And next you have to read this passage, and then you have to answer. Suppose this is the answer, but you have some doubt, so for that you can do this, mark for review and next. Okay, so it means that you have answered that question for evaluation, but you want to check this. So when we'll answered all 15 question, so when you will see this, so it means that you should check this once. Okay, again you can change the answers also. Suppose this is the answer, so then you can save it next. So this is the psychology portion. These are the some questions, you have to read this very well. And look, 40 question you will get. Question number 14, you have to click on the right side board. Okay, this, choose a question, you have to choose a question. Suppose you want to start from 29. So this, which technique allows researcher to conduct an integrative statistical analysis of multiple independent studies addressing the same question. So you can go for this. These are the some question: regression analysis, meta-analysis, correlation analysis, bootstrapping. So integrative statistical analysis of of multiple independent studies. So for suppose this is the answer, meta-analysis or correlation. Look, multiple options. This is the MSQ type question. You have to you have to you have to be careful. Okay, question type is MSQ, multiple selection questions, multiple selection type questions. So it means more than two options will be correct. So you should know this very well. You should know this very well. Multiple options. Suppose the answer may be regression analysis and meta-analysis. So you can save and next. Thus you can give your exams. This is the demo exam for you. I think I will make another video with another subject, and I think this will help you a lot. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, because there are so many talented students in our country who are trying to get information about get humanities and social science. Just I want to help you. Okay, so it's my duty. I am an IITian, so it's my duty to help you. I am just giving this information. Okay, so all the best. I think this information will help you a lot. Okay, so tada, bye bye, all the best, Jai Hind.